Toastmaster Vijay Kumar's speech. And with that, we'll move to the next evaluation, which was to evaluate Toastmaster Srivatsan's speech. I request Toastmaster Raju Rao. Before we start, I would like to introduce about him. He is a project management consultant, author, and speaker. His interested in his interest is to listen, music, and cooking. Regarding theme, he given a new quote: "New projects, new challenges. My current challenge completing requirements for DTM." And related to his evaluation, I had a chance to speak an advanced project management topic in Hindi to a worldwide audience. I request Toastmaster Raju Rao to evaluate Srivatsan's speech. Toastmaster Raju Rao?
Sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I had not muted my. Sorry. Let me start off. सभी टोस्टमास्टर मित्रों और अतिथियों जो आज इस मीटिंग में उपस्थित हैं, काफी मात्रा में हैं इधर आज, उन सबको मेरा प्रेम भरा नमस्कार। मुझे खुशी है कि मुझे टोस्टमास्टर श्रीवत्सन के भाषण का विश्लेषण करने का अवसर मिला है। उसमें कई बात मुझे समझ में आई और उनसे सीखने को मिली। एक बात तो उन्होंने कहा है कि उन्होंने ये दिखाया है कि ऑडियंस अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो बहुत ही टोस्टमास्टर सिस्टम में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, उन्होंने ये बात ध्यान में रखकर अपनी भाषण का प्रयोग किया है। मतलब उन्होंने इंग्लिश में बात की, हिंदी में नहीं, अंग्रेजी में नहीं, लेकिन इंग्लिश में बात की। उसमें उन्होंने उनके भाषण में काफी मात्रा में इंग्लिश के शब्द भी आए थे। ये क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा कि उनको मालूम था कि सब लोग इधर ये सब हिंदी भाषा समझ नहीं पाएंगे। ये मेन चीज है। उनके बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ, उसके लिए उनको बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। दूसरी बात है कि उन्होंने स्टोरी फॉर्मेट यूज किया, कहानियों के माध्यम से उन्होंने अपनी बात दोहराई। उन्होंने दो किस्से के किए, एक किस्सा था भारत में और एक किस्सा अमेरिका में, जिसमें से उन्होंने ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस को लेने के लिए उन्होंने बताया है। और वो भी बड़ी दिलचस्प तरीका है भाषण देने का, क्योंकि लोगों को स्टोरी से मतलब है और उन्होंने इसका भी बहुत अच्छे प्रयोग किया। उसका स्ट्रक्चर भी था, स्पीच में स्ट्रक्चर भी था, और शुरू में उन्होंने कोई ग्रीटिंग जो किया है वो भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया है। और दो बात मैं दोहराना चाहता हूं। मैं पहले भी श्रीवत्सन जी को बहुत मात्रा में सुना हूं भाषण देते हुए, खास तरह की कॉन्टेस्ट में, और मैं समझता हूं कि इस बार उनके भाषण में थोड़ा जोश कम था, तो शायद वो जोश थोड़ा और देते, उससे कि और उनकी ये जो भाषण है वो बहुत बेहतरीन होती। एक सुविधा ये मात्र से वो इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, एक बात। और दूसरी बात, ओपनिंग स्पीच ओपनिंग जो है, उसमें वो कोई चुटकुला जोक ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के बारे में बता सकते थे, क्योंकि विषय है ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस का, तो ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता था ऑडियंस के लिए। ये दो ही बात मुझे याद आती है, जिससे कि वो अपनी ये भाषण को और ही बेहतरीन बनाएंगे और अच्छे बना सकते हैं। संक्षेप में बता जाए कि ऑल इन ऑल उनके स्पीच बहुत ही इजी था समझने में, सबको समझ में आई होगी, ये मेरा अनुमान है। और मैं आशा करता हूं कि और आगे वो और हिंदी में बात करेंगे दूसरी जगह में भी, और मुझे उनको सुनने का अवसर मिलेगा। ओवर टू टोस्ट मास्टर ऑफ द डे।
बहुत शुक्रिया टोस्ट मास्टर राजू जी। Thank you so much, Toastmaster Raju, for the wonderful feedback session in Hindi. And with that, we'll move on to the next session from tag role players. I request tag role players to share their report one after another. First, I would like to call a timer, Vignesh, to share his report.
Yes, Jaykantan. So before that, unfortunately, Raju Rao is disqualified. I hope I'm audible. Oh, my video is not on.
Yes, Vignesh.
Okay.
You are audible. As you said, your video is now your.
Yes. So unfortunately, Raju Rao is disqualified. So I will again share my screen. I hope this is visible to you guys.
Loading or
Still loading. Something pretty wrong with my system. I think, as you said, okay, it was new year, new beginning. I had a changeover of location, and okay. So I will just say the timings. We prepared speeches. TM Nalini Kannan, 5 minutes 38 seconds. TM Srivatsan, 6 minutes 44 seconds. And TM Vijay Kumar, 7 minutes 30 seconds. TM for table topics, TM Perlin, 1 minute 36 seconds. TM Karan, 1 minute 34 seconds. TM Karthikeyan, 1 minute 11 seconds. DTM Varadarajan, 3 minutes 10 seconds. So with new year, new beginning, we have new rule, and because of technical glitch, Varadarajan is qualified. And guest Kirti, 1 minute 5 seconds. Guest Prabhuram, 1 minute 10 seconds. For evaluation, TM Srividya took 2 minutes 35 seconds. TM Raju Rao took 3 minutes 50 seconds. TM Kritika took 3 minutes 8 seconds. And doing timer job, it's not that of easy thing, especially when you do this online. I don't know how it was offline. I didn't do timer offline, but online it's not easy. We should not, say timer is not that of a great role. It actually takes a lot of efforts. We learn a lot, especially time management. And with this, I hand over the session back to our general evaluator, Jaykantan.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vignesh, for your testimony. Doing all the roles, we get there is a changeover in each role. When we do each role, we'll find the difficulties, and we are having an challenge, and there is more place to area of improvement in all the roles. With that, I'll move on to the next tag role player, counter Toastmaster Bharati, to share his report.
Let me share my screen, Toastmaster Jaykantan.
Yes.
Yeah. Able to see my screen?
Loading. Yes, we are able to see our screen.
Okay, let me. Yeah. The repetition of words Indriya Kalangal 2 times, Namadu 2 times, and Toastmaster Srivatsan used repetition of words, sir 4 times, and Toastmaster Vijay Kumar used as 5 times, and Vandu, that is filler word, that is 2 times. Under table topics, Toastmaster Pauline used as 7 times, and repetition of words, it's not repetition of words. Instead of pause for full stop, she used and to combine sentences. That is one thing I noticed it. And Toastmaster Karan used as 2 times. Toastmaster Karthikeyan used as 9 times, so 3 times. DTM Varadarajan used as 6 times, and filler word 1 time. Guest Kirti used as 9 times, so 1 time and 1 time. Guest Prabhuram used as 10 times. Under evaluation section, Toastmaster Srividya used as more than 10 times, so 2 times, Vandu 5 times. Toastmaster Rajirao used as 9 times. Toastmaster Kritika used as arms more than 10 times, 1 time, or repeated 2 times. Toastmaster, next general evaluator, Toastmaster Jayakanthan used as 10 times, and TT Master DTM Ashok used as 7 times. That is the end of my report. Over to general evaluator, Toastmaster Jayakanthan.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Bharati, for the wonderful counter reports. Today it's AHA meeting today. You have find out so many asked from everyone's speech. With that, I request grammarian Toastmaster Lakshmi Priya to share her reports.
Thank you, General Evaluator Jayakanthan. And here comes my report. First of all, I like to congratulate a lot of Toastmasters and guests who have used the word of the day in their speech. Evaluator Srividya and Toastmaster Kritika, DTM Varadarajan, DTM Ashok Kumar, Toastmaster Prabhuram, Timer Vignesh, General Evaluator Jayakanthan have used the word of the day. And it's a complete changeover that all of us are adapting to this change actually, and they're trying to use the word of the day in their speeches. And if we continue to use the word of the day, I'm sure that the vocabulary will improve quite a lot in a period of 6 months. And when coming to the inappropriate usages, let me give an overall report. I see that many speakers, the English usage is quite very good. The subject-verb agreement is appropriate at most of the places, but for few people, I see that there are inappropriate adjectives and adverbs used. And for example, one speaker told it's a complete stranger. I don't know. Stranger itself means an unknown person, and complete is not at all required there. So complete stranger is incorrect coination of words, and I'm currently progressing that much beyond that before. So inappropriate use of interjections, adverbs, adjectives were there. So such kind of words will make the communication very hard, and listeners will not be so focused on the speech. So this kind of usages should be limited. So this is the report from my end. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi Priya, for the wonderful grammarian report. It was so helpful, and thank you for joining our club today with doing a wonderful role in grammarian as a grammarian. With that, I request technical host to timer and technical host. Can you please coordinate for the remaining poll before I proceed with my GE reports? Timer, is there any disqualification in evaluation? Technical
Yes,
host.
as I said, Raju Rao is disqualified, but I think he was not able to see my chat.
Okay, no problem. And technical host, can you please launch the poll? Meanwhile, I'll share my general evaluation report.
Vignesh, I think you only can launch. Have you launched?
I launched the poll. I have launched the poll.
Okay. I'm not able to see because as a
Sir,
host, I cannot see.
Sir, we got the evaluator voting, sir. And tag role player, please pull it. Thank you, role players, my tag team and evaluators. I would like to share my today's evaluation report for today's meeting. We started on timing. I find today we are not waited for any role players. I believe all the role players are in on time. And you got the pop-up for tag role players. Please vote for that. And the ambience and display in online meeting, it's quite good. We don't find any challenges like in earlier stages. We find so many challenges in placing the mute, unmute. I believe I am the only one time burped unnecessarily. I'm extremely sorry for that. That is the one disturbance I found. I take the responsibility of that. And presiding officer, I've greeted the guests, I believe, and everyone have welcomed the guests. And TMOD have done a fantastic job. TD Master, it is an excellent way he conducted the meeting with topics in English and Tamil. So people are so comfortable. There is no hesitation, and everyone have genuinely given their try on table topics. The evaluation part also so interesting because the speech is happened bilingual, that both combination of English and Tamil. And timer did a fantastic job, though there is a change, there is a changeover. It is a new beginning for timer Vignesh. He managed to discharge his responsibility very well. And our counter did, as I said earlier, it is AHA meeting because of our counters, an excellent